Hello everyone, my name is Srishti, and in this video we will talk about certain quantifiers that are used to depict the quantity of a noun. So we have much, many, little, few, a lot, plenty. These are the quantifiers and they depict the quantity of the nouns. So as we know, nouns are classified into countable and uncountable nouns. Accordingly, we will be using them as per the noun that we have. So as you can see, there are some examples written for your convenience. Do have a look, please. I have little energy today. There is plenty of food. She has few friends. I do not have much money. So with these nouns, we are using them separately. Let's explore how are we putting them in place. Let's first understand about the countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are those which can be counted. For example, chair, apple, eggs, pens, pencils, or maybe oranges. So these are some of the quantities that we can count. And uncountable are those which are not easily counted in number like this. For example, water, rainfall, snowfall, sunshine, air, or maybe happiness, love. These are some of the things which we cannot count. But how do we use quantifiers with them? Let's understand. So in this, I have little ketchup left with me because ketchup, I cannot count it exactly. I can count bottle of ketchup. How? I have many bottles of ketchup. I have lots of bottles of ketchup maybe, or I have few bottles of ketchup. Bottle is something which I can count, but I cannot count the ketchup kept inside it. So I will just say few or little accordingly. I cannot say I have many ketchup. No, I have enough ketchup or I have a lot of ketchup. That would be correct. Similarly, when I have many means I'm talking about certain things which are too much in number. So Venice has many bridges. I can count bridges. Many children dislike homework. Yes, it happens. So many children, again, I can count the number of children. However, in this sentence, I'm not very much definite in giving the quantity of children, but yeah, I certainly can count them. Few, when I have something which is very less in quantity, like few cars, few people, few bridges, few apples, few oranges, this is how I can use many and few with the nouns. Not many, which means I do not have a certain thing in sufficient quantity. So there are not many cars on the road, or there are few cars. It's referring to one and the same thing. Few people have traveled to space. Not many people have traveled into space. These two sentences are also referring to one meaning. Much, that is used with uncountable nouns. Much water, much milk, much happiness, much affection, like that. And little, again, it is used with uncountable nouns like little water. I have little water left with me. I have little happiness with me as of now. Actually, it's not, but yeah, just giving you a sentence. Or there is little snow on the mountains. So little, that can be related to not much. A little, referring to a small amount of the noun. Few, that is referring to not many. And a few is referring to a small number. So like this, the meaning is also changing when I am using a little or maybe a few. This is a very helpful chart that can make you understand which quantifier is used with what kind of noun. Is it countable? Is it uncountable noun, plural, or maybe singular? So let's identify the correct option. We have a lot of work to do. You don't need to buy food. There are plenty of things to eat in the fridge. Can you please buy me 2 or 3 lemons? Oh, and I need a few eggs. I work hard at the moment and I have little time to exercise. Look, these packets of chocolates are on sale. Shall we buy a few of them? There aren't many places to buy fresh fish in this city. Now it's your turn to make your own sentences using a lot of, much, little, lots of, few, a few. So I'm sure using taking help of these pictures, you will be able to frame nice sentences. Do share with us in the comment box. Let's fill up the blanks together. Craig was never popular at school. Even today, he has few friends. It is a warm winter. We have had much snow. I have much to do today. Please hurry up. We do not have much time. It was a great concert. Many people came. I do not have much patience. I do not have money, so I can't go on vacation this year. Or I can say I do not have much money. I have dash, so let's eat an expensive lunch. I have enough money or many coins or maybe much cash, like that I can choose. Wow, there is not much in my purse, just a few coins. Okay, I never use my coins. I always have few in my pocket. I always carry dash on me. I always carry few cash with me. So this is how we were able to discuss this easy and very important concept. I'm sure you were able to understand it. Please share your comments with us in the comment box below. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and good day.